Hi, I'm Brian Duncan from MarineMax New York. We're out on the 350 SLX today. This particular model is the Outboard version, triple 300 light Verados. Pushed this boat about 55 miles an hour. It's got this really nice fold-out seat layout here, back here. Basically, right now in the lounging position. You take them and fold them under. The seat was there when you fold this down. Very clever design. You got your speakers in the back. People are hanging out the back of the boat. It floats. Lots of index storage here. A little hand shower. Remote for the stereo. Hand shower. Good place for all your dock lines. These little storage compartments. They utilize all the space. Cold today. This is a good place for your dock lines. Big circular seating in the cockpit. You can sit 6, 7, 8 people very comfortably, 2 more across. You know, have a lot of conversation. There's the electric table. It lowers and raises. Pretty cool. It lowers right down flush to the floor. You have your refrigerator. Cockpit fridge, your grill, little wash sink. This has all blue LED lighting at night. You got your subwoofer here for your premium sound system. Everybody's got a handrail to hold on to, as you notice as you walk around the boat. Drink holders everywhere. Lots of index storage. This seat will fold around to join the rest of the cockpit. Just grab this here. And it spins right around. A little cold, everything's frozen today. These seats will fold down. Same thing on this side. You got 2 big Marine screens here. Lift this off. All nice shaded. It's got the joystick controls. Here you have the head. Take a peek in here. Nice size head, plenty of room to move around in there if you want to go in and get changed, or it's not just going in. It's a vacuum flush head. It's got a little hand sink in here. Now moving forward, you have your windscreen here. You can close the windshield over. All stainless steel top and tap. Big bow area, lots of seating. You got a walk-off on the front if you want to bow board the boat, because it's an outboard boat. You got 1, 2, 3 steps, you're out. Plenty, like I said, plenty of cup holders, plenty of grab rails. Everybody's got something, a place to put their drink down. It's got the hard top, the retractable electric sunshade on the back, and the sun top in the middle. It's got all the nice options. You have a place here you can put your cell phone and all your goodies. You got your little flag, your bell, and that about wraps it up.